Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Play services for Pokémon GO, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Play services for Pokémon GO, begin by unlocking your mobile device. Navigate to your device's home screen. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and select Apps or Application Manager. Locate and tap on Google Play services from the list of apps. If Google Play services is not installed, proceed to the Google Play Store. Search for Google Play services in the search bar. Install the app if you don't have it. Once installed, return to the app settings. Ensure that Google Play services is enabled. If it's disabled, tap on the Enable button. Next, go back to the home screen and find the Pokémon GO app icon. Tap to open Pokémon GO. If prompted, sign in with your Google account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Make sure location services and permissions are allowed for Pokémon GO. To check location settings, return to the Settings app. Scroll to Location and ensure it is turned on. Also, verify that Pokémon GO has permission to access your location. Return to the Pokémon GO app. You should now be able to use Google Play services without any issues. If you encounter problems, consider clearing the cache for Google Play services. To do this, return to the Settings, open Apps, and select Google Play services. Tap on Storage and then select. After restarting, open Pokémon GO again and everything should work smoothly. Enjoy your adventure in Pokémon GO with fully enabled Google Play services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.